Hello, and welcome to English for Learners, a channel where you listen to interesting everyday conversations between fun characters. After each conversation, we break down key terms to help you understand and remember new vocabulary. Once you've listened, try role-playing the scenes yourself. Speaking aloud is the fastest way to boost your English skills and confidence. So let's begin. Meet Emma and Jake, two high school friends. Today, they're talking about Emma's upcoming birthday and debating whether she should bring treats to class. Let's see what they decide.
Hey Jake, guess what? My birthday's coming up next week. Oh, nice. Are you bringing treats to school? I don't know. That's the thing. I'm not sure if I should. It sounds fun, but it could also be a hassle. What? No way! Bringing treats is like the birthday rule. Everyone does it. You could bring cupcakes, maybe. Everyone loves cupcakes. True, but cupcakes are so predictable. Last time I brought some, they squished in my backpack and the frosting got all messed up. Yeah, frosting disaster. But you could try something else. Maybe candy bags? Like a little grab bag for everyone. Less squish, more sugar. Candy bags could work. But still, it's so much effort to make sure everyone gets one. And what if someone says, I don't like candy? Or worse, I'm on a diet. Haha. Come on, it's a birthday treat, not a buffet. But you're right. Someone always has a thing about snacks. Remember last year when Ben brought gluten-free cookies for his birthday? Half the class was like, what's gluten? Ha ha ha, exactly. And some people didn't even try them. See, that's what I don't want. I want everyone to actually enjoy the treat. Well, maybe you can skip the treats and just do something different. Like, wear a fun birthday hat? A hat? I don't think anyone does that. Plus, I'd feel like everyone's staring at me all day. True. Okay, how about this? No treats, no hats. Just bring balloons. Maybe some bright, fun colors? Balloons? Really? Ha ha ha! That could be a little random. All right. Here's a low-effort idea. Just bring one big box of donuts, put them on the table, and let people grab one if they want. That way, no one feels left out and you don't have to stress. Now that could work. A donut box is easy, and no frosting mess in my backpack. Exactly. And if someone doesn't want one, that's their choice. Plus, everyone loves donuts. It's basically a win-win. True, it keeps things simple. Plus, no more worrying about picky eaters. Exactly. See, problem solved. And hey, if you need someone to carry the donuts for you, I'll volunteer as tribute. Haha, sure, Jake. As long as you don't eat them on the way.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation between Emma and Jake. Here is a breakdown of difficult words and phrases in the dialogue. Hassle. In this context, hassle means something that takes a lot of effort and can be annoying or inconvenient. Emma says, it sounds fun, but it could also be a hassle. Emma isn't sure if she wants to bring treats because it could be a lot of work or a hassle. Frosting disaster. Frosting is the sweet, creamy topping on cupcakes, and disaster means a big mess or problem. Together, frosting disaster is a funny way to talk about how the cupcakes looked messy. Here, frosting disaster is a playful way to describe the mess when the frosting on cupcakes got squished in Emma's backpack. A grab bag is a small bag filled with treats or gifts, often a surprise for the person receiving it. In the dialogue, Jake suggests Emma to bring a little candy bag or grab bag for everyone as a treat. Squished means to be pressed or crushed. often making something flat or messy. Here, Emma is talking about her cupcakes getting squished in her backpack, meaning they got pressed down, causing the frosting and cake to lose their shape and become messy. Thing about snacks. In this sentence, a thing means that people have specific preferences or opinions about snacks. When Jake says people have a thing about snacks, he means they might have special needs, like diets or selective tastes. A buffet is a meal where food is served on a table, and everyone can choose what they want. When Jake says, "Come on, it's a birthday treat, not a buffet," he means it is a small treat, not a big meal where everyone has a choice of options. Gluten-free means food that doesn't contain gluten, a substance found in wheat. Some people avoid gluten in food. Emma remembers a time when Ben brought gluten-free cookies that not everyone wanted. Random means unusual or unexpected. Emma thinks bringing balloons might seem a bit strange because it's not something people usually do for birthdays at school. A picky eater is someone who doesn't like many foods or is very selective about what they eat. In the dialogue, Emma is worried that some classmates might be picky eaters, which means they might not like the treats she brings. Win-win means a situation where both sides get a benefit or good outcome. Jake says, "It's basically a win-win." Jake believes bringing donuts will make things easy for Emma while giving everyone a treat, so everyone wins. Volunteer as tribute means help out or take on a task. Jake says, "I'll volunteer as tribute." This phrase, volunteer as tribute, is a humorous way to say he's willing to help out. It's a reference to the Hunger Games books and movies, where someone volunteers as tribute to help out or take on a task. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation with Emma and Jake and learned some new words along the way. Birthdays at school can be full of funny situations and decisions, right? Let us know in the comments. What would you do for your birthday at school? Bring treats, skip them, or do something totally different? We'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun English conversations. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.